We're on our way to Lynn Point at the eastern tip of St. John in the U.S. Virgin Islands. The sun is setting and we're about to go on our first night dive.
It's gonna be a little eerie in the dark, but at night, we're told some animals you normally wouldn't see during the day come out to play.
I'm imagining just going down in the water and just being like, oh my gosh, I can't see anything.
Ultimately, guys, what you're gonna be able to see is right there. So you're gonna see the circumference of this light, and that's pretty much it. Literally, as the seconds go by, you get more and more comfortable, and then you start to realize that it's awesome.
I'm not seeing any light from the sun anymore. It's just pure black down there. I think the time has come.
All right, see you in there.
As soon as I point my light down, I see these big fish swimming around.
There's a big tarpon down there.
Really?
Oh, yeah.
All right, I'm coming.
1, 2, 3, step.
Do you see that?
Oh my gosh.
If you didn't know what a tarpon was, you could think that's a shark.
Oh,
That's
easily.
a big fish.
That's a huge fish.
Tarpon can grow 8 feet long and swim in schools of up to 30 fish.
As we're descending, I'm looking at straight black below me, and it feels like you're in outer space.
It's you with your little flashlight up against the deep, dark abyss.
The first thing I see when we get to the bottom is the reef, and it is just vibrant.
Underwater, colors appear dim or faded in daylight, but in the dark, our dive lights ignite the coral's bold colors.
At night, the coral's long, wavy polyps come out to feed in the dark. The tentacles sway and reach for passing food. I look down and I see a fish. It's a blowfish.
We are hovering right over this guy, and he doesn't seem to mind. He's just continuing along, and we're able to just observe him. It is so cool.
When blowfish feel threatened, they puff up. Now this guy's staying small, which tells me we're not threatening him and he's not scared of us. 200 species of fish and 2,000 species of coral paint the reef in colorful patterns. They share their home with a strange mix of crabs, mollusks, and thousands of bizarre creatures. Like this arrow crab, which looks more like a daddy longlegs.
I'm just scanning with my dive light, and then all of a sudden, something is on the bottom of the ocean. It's a stingray.
Stingrays don't look like fish, but they are. Their wide, flat bodies hide on the ocean floor, while their large eyes keep watch for prey like shrimp and crab.
We're swimming along, and we all spot this amazing seashell. So we go in for a closer look. All of a sudden, the shell starts to move. This guy is some sort of conch, and he's got places to be because he's going fast.
It's actually a giant hermit crab. They're known to take over discarded shells or large snails like conchs. There's so much marine life to see that we could stay down here all night, but our time is up.
Woo! Oh my gosh. Oh, that was so cool.
It took a minute to get used to the darkness, but after you did, you kind of just followed your light, and it let you just focus in on one thing at a time, which was kind of cool.
That was such an amazing experience, man. There was something eerie but calming about diving at night. You feel just so at peace. Hey everybody, thanks for watching. Make sure to leave any questions or comments that you have.
And please subscribe to the channel. There's a lot more to come.